In today's video, I will teach you how to fix skin blemishes in Photopea. Let's get started. First, launch Photopea and open your image by selecting File, then Open, then choose the photo that you want to edit. To keep the original image intact, create a duplicate of the photo by right-clicking the layer in the Layers panel and selecting Duplicate Layer, or simply press Ctrl-J. This allows you to work non-destructively, so the original image remains unchanged. In the toolbar, select the Spot Healing Brush tool. This tool automatically samples nearby areas to blend over blemishes. Now zoom in on the areas with blemishes by pressing Ctrl+ or by pressing Ctrl and scrolling with the mouse wheel. Now adjust the brush size by using the open or the close bracket keys to match the size of the blemish. Now click directly on each blemish to remove it. The tool will blend the surrounding skin texture automatically. Then repeat the step for all visible blemishes. An optional step is using the Clone Stamp tool for precision. For more precise control over specific areas, you can use the Clone Stamp tool. Adjust the brush size to match the area that you want to clone. Then hold the Alt key and click on the nearby clear area of the skin to set the sample point. Then release the Alt key and click over the blemish to replace it with the sampled area. Use this method for larger or stubborn blemishes where the Spot Healing Brush tool may not work perfectly. Another optional step is smoothing skin with the Blur tool. To achieve an even smoother skin effect, you can use the Blur tool from the toolbar. Now set a low strength around 10 to 20% in the top options bar to avoid over-blurring. Then gently brush over the skin to smooth out any fine lines or imperfections while maintaining the skin's natural texture. And once you're satisfied with the blemish removal, you can also improve the overall skin tone by adjusting the brightness and contrast or levels of the image. And after the blemishes are removed, save your edited image by going to File, then Export As, and choosing your desired file format, for example, JPEG or PNG. Then click Save to download the final result. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.